Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Judy here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you exactly what's in my closet.
So when I see what I see, I just can't believe how our shortfalls can shape our motives, to turning our mistakes into our vultures. So if we eat or if we starve, we still gonna work and do a good ass job, cause we've come too far to let nights escape. It's that price we pay when we fight for days.
First off, you guys, I'm gonna show you the most wonderful side of my wardrobe. We have all my beautiful going out clothes. I am a wonderful wife, so I do share my closet with my husband. Here he has his shirts, and then the rest of the closet is for me. I have lots of those little black dresses, cause you know, your girl look hot in little black dresses, and you can never have too many. Here we have all my other long dresses, my sparkly dresses, my cocktail dresses, and it goes so on and so forth, way into the abyss. We have my shoes. Now, you know, a girl can never have way too many shoes. The high heels, you know, I got some nice casual ones that you just wear to the gym. I tend to wear these when I go for long walks. They are great for working out those thighs and shaping that booty. You know, if you want some sculptured legs, then work out in some heels, I'm telling you. Here is one of my favorite pairs of shoes. It's so much of a favorite of mine that I've worn it never. It speaks of YSL and Gucci and Louis Vuitton, you know, all those dreams that every girl has in a shoe. These shoes are made for walking. Don't judge me. In fact, you know what? You can't judge me. I really don't care. Here we have what I like to call my stripper shoes. Moving on to the next door of my closet, we have all the black clothes. That's it. We have all these luxurious 100 million thousand count Egyptian sheets. I'm telling you, your girl can't do any less than the best. Here's a little secret pleasure of mine. The most organized, beautiful lingerie drawer of all time. So here's all my workout gear. All beautifully laid out. You can see every single piece of clothing and make it so easy for me to pick what I'm gonna wear when I go to work out. Here's the drawer you've all been waiting to see. Handbags. All them Gucci, Louis Vuittons, YSL. I tend to change my handbags with every single meal. I have a breakfast bag, a lunch bag, a dinner bag, and last, but absolutely not least, we have my jackets, tops, and more shoes. As you can see, I like to have them all displayed in such a way that you can see the style. It's just easy to grab and go with whatever outfit I have going on for the day. Here on this side, leather, 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 leather. I don't do denim. Tops, tops, tops. That drawer that you never show anybody. We have my accessory wardrobe. It's really more of a walk-in wardrobe, you know. I just have so much stuff, and the super high-end stuff, mind you, that I gotta have a whole walk-in closet for my accessories. Come in, see all my accessories, my pure gold, my wonderful crystals and diamonds and belts, and sunglasses. I wear them all the time, you know. Having glasses doesn't change that one little bit. I just wear them always. So many belts to go with every single outfit. All my sunglasses. All my sunglasses. All my sunglasses. Hey guys, so if you're this far into the video, obviously you know by now that this video was just for fun. I'm really not throwing shade on anyone in particular. In fact, I love watching closet tours on YouTube. I just love to see how far beauty gurus have gone from nothing basically to showing all the wealth and health and happiness that they've got, and I'm so happy for those people that are able to share these things. if you don't like those sort of videos, then you don't have to watch them. But I just thought I'd make this video for a bit of fun, you know, just for a bit of banter, and hopefully one day, you know, myself, I'll be able to show you a little bit of wealth and happiness that I myself might be able to generate from YouTube. You know, YouTube is a job, and at the end of the day, YouTube can make you money. And that's not the point of me doing YouTube. I've always wanted to make videos, and I've always enjoyed doing makeup and sharing tips and lifestyle to different people, and I thought, you know, why not film it and why not share it to the rest of the world. I hope you enjoyed my little bit of satire, and really my closet's nothing to go wow about. There's nothing special about it, and I probably don't even own one YSL, Gucci or Chanel or anything. I myself, I'm more of a budgeting sort of person. I don't like to spend heaps of money on one thing. In fact, I feel guilty when I spend more than $100 in a pair of shoes. And if I did, it's probably just work shoes, because those are the shoes that I would wear the most. Stay happy, be kind to people, and stay humble. That's my motto. Every morning I say wealth, money, and happiness surround me, because what's the point of having all this wealth if you are not happy? And I'm happy. I've got friends, I've got family, and really, at the end of the day, that's really all I need. So again, thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far through the video, thank you so much. I hope you subscribe. I hope you give this video a thumbs up. Please follow me on my Instagram, which is also lifeaskikay, which I upload on every single day. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.